You might last, but the guy I had before, he couldn't last. I forgive you cause I don't know, so don't ask. Just lay back, relax, I got that. I'm something like the greatest. We on track. Watch my plan unfold, I ain't gon' hold back. I slow it down, speed it up, I do all that. Then I might let you taste that, don't waste that. Damn, I'm so amazing. This altitude is much for you. I promise you gon' beg for more. And baby, no excuse.
I'm tired of looking like this. So I'm gonna put my faux locks back in. Who cares about postpartum? I'm losing my hair, y'all. Y'all wanna see? My hair already short. I had cut it off before postpartum started because I had locks, like lock extensions in, and I cut them out because they were supposed to be permanent. But I didn't want them, so I cut them out. So my hair is short. But y'all, look what started happening in the front. Oh, y'all, this is postpartum hair loss happening. I've been putting oil on my hair. I had to Google. I'm like, cause my doctor didn't tell me nothing about this. And this is what I hate, like y'all not thorough about what's gonna happen with my body next. I had to come in the doctor's office and the OBGYN and be like, hey, this is happening to me. Oh yeah, that happens. Why you ain't warned me?
I could tell you ain't ready for a woman like me bouncing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This altitude is much for you. I promise you gon' beg for more. And baby, no excuse. I'm ready to give you everything you came here for. If you want it, it's right here for you. If you need it, it's right here for you. Come take it, it's so real, boy. If you want it, come and get it right here. It's right here for you. Right here for you. It's right here for you. Right here for you. Right here for you.
Hey people! I'm back on my camera. No more mobile device. I finally broke down. I got an SD card nonsense. This is a nighttime vlog though for y'all. A pointless vlog. I'm finna show y'all my outfit though real quick. Light on. Girl, why your blinds open? Close this mess. Like a stalker man with a Jason mask just looking. Y'all, I got to do better. Let me show y'all my outfit. Hold up. All right. Y'all know I've been, okay. I've been into the big zoomy. We got some baggy clothes on today. This is Los Angeles, California. I got this from Shein. I prefer my pants to be a little bigger. I wanted my pants to be baggy, just like the top. But I mean, when I tell y'all it's cold out here, for what? 20-something degrees. Yeah, I'm on my way to go get my waist beads. Popeye's line always packed. Y'all saw that? It's always towards the road. I'm supposed to be turning. Yeah. Yeah, I almost hit the back of that truck. Do I turn right here? It's a damn shame I don't know my town like this. Cats, dogs, move out the way. Right. I don't even think I have my mask. Yes, I do. 12:07. I should have came here during the daytime. See, this is what the hell I get. Y'all, I don't like driving at night. Hello. Hey. Okay. Why you blowing?
Hello?
Hey.
Hey, babe.
What you doing?
Loving you. I know, 400.
Huh? What? What happened?
I just
I don't know what I did to deserve him. Like, I don't know. But I'm gonna go in here and eat me some fish.
I promise you gon' beg for more. And baby, no excuse, I'm ready to give you everything you came here for. If you want it, it's right here.
Y'all look at cousin. What's the name of the show? The Secrets of Sulphur Springs. I gotta check it out on Disney Channel Friday at 7 Central. Okay. Yeah, y'all check it out. Hey, now I got me some Louisiana wine per usual. We are going to open this. I had a bottle last night. Okay, where is that wine opener? I didn't want to use this one because for some reason yeah, it's called Nothing to Hide. I've been trying to watch it. I remember watching it last year. Ow! But yeah, I remember watching it last year, but I kind of forgot what happened in the movie. You know how you have to rewatch a movie to see like what the hell happened? You know you watched it, but it's like, now why they just did that, I don't know, because how the hell I'm finna get the rest of this out of here now. What a shame. That's one thing about this company. Their corks are shit. Their corks are trash. Like, they break. Now I feel obligated to finish the whole bottle tonight. Like, what the hell just happened? Look at this. Come on out. Yes, come on. Almost there. And out. My robot vacuum cleaner. I think I'm gonna go try and attempt to do that. I'm not reviewing it. Just let y'all see what it's looking like. My brother bought it for me.
Crazy while I'm just bouncing.
Get on my joggers or not. We're gonna open this up. My mom has had several of a particular brand. I really won't say the brand. It's not this brand. Not this one. I'm just gonna say that now. But there's another brand that she has in particular that she likes. So we have some batteries here for whatever reason. A little guide here. The actual switch on before use. The actual vacuum itself. I heard there's a charging base in here too. A lot of little stuff. Oh yeah, this is the charging base. I don't know where I want this to sit though, honestly. Plug in the base, I guess the charger, you know, you plug that in. I don't know where I want this to sit. Like the home. I'm unsure about it. So, and there's a little bristles. That go on the bottom.
You might last, but the guy I had before, he couldn't last. I forgive you cause I don't know, so don't ask. Just lay back, relax, I got that.